How to hide all Facebook photos or how to set all Facebook photos to only me settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide all your Facebook photos. Now, it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can see there. Now once here what you want to do is tap on the settings icon. Simply tap on the settings icon there. Now once in settings, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option posts under audience and visibility. Now you can see the post option. What you want to do is simply tap on the post option and you'll get two different options: who can see your future post and limit who can see past post. What you want to do is head into limit who can see past post here and then simply tap on limit past post here, and you can see you are about to limit all past posts on your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post at one at a time. Simply tap on limit past post and all your past posts will be limited and most of your pictures will be set to your only me settings. The other way is here you can see who can see a future post. Simply tap on it and here what you want to do is choose default audience to only me, and this way all photos or all posts that you post on the future will be set to your only me settings. Once you do this, what you can do is head into your profile. Simply head into your profile there and head into your photos option on your profile, and once you head on to photos, what you want to do is, if some photos is not private, what you want to do is open up the picture and tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and you can either delete photo or you can change the photo privacy. So this way you can hide all Facebook photos to only me settings. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.